Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday. I'm doing somewhat of a weekend vlog. Obviously it's not the weekend yet, but we're on our way there. I'm most productive Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But this is gonna be a vlog of quote unquote doing things that scare me or that used to scare me. One of those things is going to the gym by myself. We're gonna hit legs today. I'm walking on my way there and on my way back just to get more steps in. I guess let me show you my outfit. I'm obviously representing Argentina for the FIFA World Cup, wearing these black leggings, and then I have my Aces Spirit sneakers.
Three hours later.
Fresh chip off the block. Watch my head spin. I got awkward thoughts and a neck twitch. I fall off the knot, then I get up. I'm this slot to watch. That's a Netflix. I stop with the pot. Got my head stripped, but mama kept singing, better save that noodle, cause I kept drawing on the same old doodle.
Hi guys, I'm back from the gym and I feel so good because I went for like a 10-minute run on the treadmill after. I'm 6,000 steps in today. I need to walk on the treadmill later tonight because I like to have anywhere between 12,000 to 15,000 steps a day. Did my leg and butt workout. I didn't film. I only filmed one set because if there's one thing that makes me more nervous than working out by myself at the gym, that's filming myself working out at the gym. Hopefully one day I will work myself up to it, but it was pretty clear because I went at a time where everyone is out to get lunch. It's currently 3 p.m. I'm about to shower, ready to start studying. Nice, that was all on mute. But I was saying, I meant to be way more productive today. Today's Thursday, I don't know if I mentioned. I went to bed super late last night working on things for the stores. I was splitting new arrivals yesterday and today. I have an exam to take and I need to be hitting a certain amount of questions every day. It's hard when I'm working on the store and just other things in life, especially because I've been wanting to get more fit and just go to the gym very consistently lately. I need to work my schedule around with a lot of things and to wake up today at 6 a.m. go to the gym at 7. My ideal time to go. More of a peaceful walk there. Otherwise it's super crowded. There's a lot of traffic, but I didn't. I woke up almost at 9 a.m. which is very unusual for me. So it looks like there's a match for the FIFA World Cup going on right now, which I've been following ever since like a week and a half ago. I'm definitely rooting for Argentina right now. Morocco and France are playing. I hope Morocco wins. I didn't forget that I was vlogging, but I wasn't doing anything that was vlog worthy. Either working on my store or studying. My whole week has been comprised of that. So that's been taking up most of my time lately. But I figured I would show you my nighttime routine. It's now 10 p.m. on a Friday. I got off the treadmill, took a shower, and washed my hair. Still not quite sure if I want to air dry it. First thing that I use for my skincare routine is this face wash. This is the Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I deep cleaned my room earlier today. I like to do this at least once a week. It is looking and feeling really nice and fresh. This is my OOTD for the night. This thrifted white t-shirt along with these thrifted polka dotted shorts. I'm not sure how many of you guys are actually interested in seeing this type of content, I'm gonna keep making it for a while just because it's literally all I have the energy right now for, and I don't want to let this channel die. Going out of my way and thinking of new creative ideas is a little bit hard for me right now. I'm trying to just like bring you guys along for my life, but this is the next thing that I do for my skincare. It's an adapalene cream gel that I got from Amazon. I've been using this for a little bit over a week. My acne is already getting so much better. I also put a little bit on my neck. That is it for my skincare routine. I made a video, what has it been, like maybe a year ago, maybe a little bit over a year, maybe a little bit under a year. I've been losing track of time lately because I feel like it's going back so fast. I did a review on the Shark hair dryer, and back then, I mean, it worked really great, but this as a Dyson dupe, I wouldn't recommend this. I mean, I haven't had the Dyson. My aunt has it and she says that it's wonderful, but just talking about this, already starting to show signs of breaking down. I've heard of 2 other people in my life who have had the same issue. You're using it and it will randomly turn off and you will have to wait a few minutes, turn back on, and it works fine when it's working, but when it turns off, that's the thing. I'm using another hair dryer that my mom has, but I don't know where that is right now, so I'm gonna use this one. I don't think that this type of brush is any good for your hair, so let's fast forward. Just a little bit of oil. This is by Sebastian. You can't even see the name anymore because it's all blurred out. It's from last year. I got it in October. Just put on a little bit of oil. Wash my hair like every 3 days. Hop into bed. I'm going to do a get ready with me for my salsa class tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna do it in short form. I will see you guys in the morning. Just prop up my phone on my window. This is very new to me. I just recently got this sticky thing. I literally won't shut up about it. Just put it here. Hey guys, oh, it's tilted. Hey guys, let's get ready together for my salsa class. Usually it takes me quite a couple of takes. Don't really thrive in short form content. Hey guys, let's get ready together for my salsa class. Hey, please ignore my handbags. No, that doesn't look nice, but it's my 2 most worn bags, so I just like to keep them close to the door. I'm thinking of wearing my flared leggings that I just got from the thrift, and because this is such a bright blue color, it's honestly a little bit hard to pair this. I wish I had a white workout top, but I'm thinking of wearing this black one, and because the leggings are flared, I think that just a tight fitting one is the way to go. This one is long sleeve. These shoes that you guys saw me get this from Zara, I love them, and they look like ballet shoes, so I think that they're perfect for dance class. I don't think I like what this looks like, especially with the shoes. They look funny. Here's another view. I just feel like this looks a little bit odd. My second option is this pair of jeans that I just got from the Zara sale. I would pair this with another top. If you saw my last video, I ended up exchanging pretty much everything that I showed you except for these shoes and one top. So I do need to update the Zara haul. Wait, actually, I can wear one of the tops that I got from Zara that day. Let me put that on right now. This is one of the things that I exchanged one of the pieces for. It's so cute, and I figured this would be perfect for the summer with the pineapples. And also, I don't have many shirts like this, especially t-shirts that I can wear with maxi skirts, with just jeans that are very cutesy, and this one is definitely very cute. I think this is gonna look really nice. So here is the final outfit. I think it looks so nice, and to tie it all together, I'm adding this bag, which I also showed you in my last video. In the sun, on our way there just a little bit, I'm gonna use these glasses. I love this. Okay, I'm ready. Now let me film this for short form. Put some perfume on, which I also got this from Zara the other day, and it smells so divine. Alright guys, so that is a wrap on today's class. So next we're going to the park because we're going to ride bikes with some of our friends and I'm so excited. We're actually gonna have lunch first. Outfit change, so we're headed to go bike riding and I changed because the last time that I went I broke my jeans and then one previous time I broke my leggings, so I just have these Alara ones, really hoping they don't break, but if I don't fall I don't think we're gonna have an issue.
What's up?
You too, Luigi? Every time I turn on my camera they won't talk. I try to
Because they're always saying, shut up.
walk through the door with you. The air was cold. Something about it felt like home somehow. Every time I'm in this park, I always...
Yo tengo una calidad.
Okay?
Yo tengo una calidad.
En inglés.
I have a quality that is not any footballer.
Ay, Luigi. Para ellos el fútbol es fútbol americano.
Soccer player.
Just got back. We ended up playing an hour of soccer and we're super beat. ¿Ustedes están cansados?
Sí, es que yo...
Nosotros montamos bicicleta por una hora. But we're super tired. I wanted to film a time lapse, but I started it and then it stopped filming for some reason. Now we're gonna watch the game between Norway and England, which I just saw during the extra time that they gave that England is winning. And I'm actually kind of rooting for Norway.
Y se suscribió alguien nuevo.
Veremos si el árbitro lo llama para que interprete esa situación. Parece
Oh
que
my
es
gosh. Hola, precioso. Toby. Hola, ñoño. This is my evening outfit. I love this gown. I got this at the thrift a couple of months ago. I always say I look like an apparition in this. My brother is saying that I look like Lucy from Stranger Things. ¿Qué?
Susi.
Ah, Susie. I'm going to take my vitamin D this noon. Today is Sunday. I was going to, I am going to the gym. I was debating whether I wanted to go to walk in the park, but I decided to go to the gym just because I feel like the weekdays, just more people go. There's gonna be less people, which means all the machines are gonna be more available, and I'm gonna hit upper body today. A beautiful day outside. I just finished at the gym and now I'm gonna treat myself to a Starbucks coffee. For a weekend in my life, I really tried to get outside of my comfort zone and do more things by myself. I've been trying to have a more active lifestyle. My main goal this year at the beginning of the year was to get my steps in, work out more, and I've been doing that, but now I want to actually have a lifestyle that is effortlessly active, in the sense that I do things while being active, and one of the ways to do that really simply is just walking places, walking to and from my gym, going to a store without needing a car. I really want to do more, plus doing things by myself. Like, something that used to scare me was going to the gym by myself or sitting at a cafe by myself. Today is gonna be pretty much the same, just more walks on the treadmill, more studying. I need to take a professional photo for something, just resetting for the week ahead, which is gonna be pretty busy. But let me know if you guys want to see more vlogs, maybe other styling videos, outfits of the week, outfits of the weekend, things like that. Know down below what else you guys want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. Bye.